Easy Cut Flower Garden at home. Grow flowers to decorate your home. Imagine walking into your backyard or balcony and picking fresh flowers to decorate your table, your desk, or even your morning tea tray. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple and beautiful cut flower garden at home, perfect for anyone who loves fresh blooms indoors. You don't need a big yard or professional tools. All you need is a little space, a few pots or a garden bed, and the right flowers. Start by choosing easy-to-grow flowers that last long in a vase. Some great options for beginners are zinnias, cosmos, marigolds, snapdragons, calendula, and sweet peas. These flowers are colorful, fast-growing, and bloom for weeks. If you're short on space, use grow bags, recycled buckets, or deep pots. Arrange them close together to create a mini flower patch. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Now prepare your soil. Mix regular garden soil with compost to improve nutrients and drainage. If you're using pots, make sure they have proper holes at the bottom. Sow your seeds or seedlings directly into the soil. Water gently and keep the soil moist, especially in the first few weeks. As the plants grow, remove weeds and dry leaves to keep the garden healthy. When flowers start to bloom, don't hesitate to cut them. Use clean scissors to snip the stem just above a leaf node. This encourages more flowers to grow back quickly. Arrange your fresh flowers in small vases, jars, or even teacups. Add a few leaves or herbs like rosemary or mint for a fragrant, natural bouquet. The best part: these flowers are not just beautiful, they're grown by you. You save money, avoid chemicals, and bring a personal touch to your home decor. Whether you place them on your dining table, office desk, or bedroom shelf, homegrown flowers always make a space feel more alive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening ideas and floral inspiration.